Hey guys, this is my first order I placed with PJ's Body Shop. So I found them on YouTube and it's raining outside, so that's why the box looks a little wet. But here's the packaging. Let me pull up the order to show you how long everything took. Okay, I found the original email. I placed the order on March 2nd. I remember placing it in the evening, so if you really want to call it March 3rd, that's fine too. And then the second email came March 17th. This one right here, St. Patrick's Day. So that was 15 days later. So you really want to go like 14 days. And then the ship arrived today, the 23rd. So 15 days, then 6 days, and I got it. 23 days total. Here's the first open. I don't want to show my address, so here is the skincare routine step-by-step guide. I love this. And then here is their card. PJ's Body Shop, skincare with a vibe. Love it. And then here's the information. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so it's packaged pretty good. Everything arrived safely. And everything I ordered is definitely in the box. All right, let me smell it. All right, guys, let's open it. She whipped it, so I love it when they whip it. I like it. I like it. And yes, I can smell it. It's not strong, but I can smell it. So, all right. That's the Baccarat. And then Baby Magic. I ordered the Baby Magic for my body underneath my clothes. So, oh, you can really smell this one. I love it. And then if I use it on my son's, whenever I need to put lotion on his hands, he won't smell, you know, like perfume. And then they wrapped this one in plastic. I don't know why this TV is so loud. Hold on. Okay. And here's the one they wrapped. This is the scrub. Pink Lemonade Whip Body Scrub. So let's see this one. So I've never tried Whip Body Scrub. I've had plenty of body scrub lotions. I can feel the texture, the salt or the sugar. I'm not sure which one they're using, but I can definitely feel it. And it has an oil base. So, oh, it smells like cotton candy. Wait, Pink Lemonade. That's what it is. So far, guys, I really like it. Of course, I'll try it in the tub. I just wanted to give my first review. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me save as much as I possibly can. So this was $75.75. I ordered 3 items. So if you want to, you know, cost up $25 a piece, I love it. I'm going to give it a try. Made in Texas. Oh, that's so cute. 10 ounces. That's a good size. Grapeseed oil. And she lists all of the product items inside just in case you're allergic to something. This is the one I wanted to use like on my hands and my arms. Like when I get dressed up, I'll spray my perfume. I had the perfume. And then I wanted to layer it with like a body butter of some sort. So, and then I have the Baccarat hair mist. So I wanted to leave a scent, but not too strong. Oh, she even has a logo. I love it. Great business. And then she also put the ingredients. Love it. Love it. Avocado. Look at that. Look at that. All right. I like my order. I'm very happy. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to give them a try, I love supporting small businesses. I'm a small business. So, hey, kudos. I love it. Especially women business. I forgot to show you guys the card. Skincare routine, step-by-step guide on our products. Body butter, the best way to use the body butter is applied after a daily shower, of course. The scrub. First, wash the face, remove impurities. So I can definitely use the scrub on my face. I was going to use it under my arms. But that's cool. I didn't do a dip scrub. Body scrubs again. Rinse the entire body. Definitely warm water. Place a small amount. PJ's Body Scrub in your hand and gently scrub the body. Yes. And then the yoni oil and wash. I didn't try that, but I did see it. So here's the instructions in case you guys are curious. I love that she did it on a separate card. I love the color scheme. It makes it stand out. Good job. And then, of course, let me show you in case anybody wants information. Pink, gray. I did look her up on Instagram too and check it out. So, awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.